Hey everyone, this has been unboxing of the 3 Plus Pros Vibe Plus here. This is only 50 bucks and actually has built-in GPS, not just that PUI connected GPS. Got mine from, I know it says open here, but you can't even open it because they taped it there. So I got mine from Target. You can also get it, I know, from Walmart as well. Mine is in there upside down, so that's kind of funny. So it just gives you some stuff there about it. So we're going to go ahead and open it here, and then we're going to do a setup as well, as long as I can get the app for it. Alright, so we had to cut open the back here, and then we can get it out. I don't know why they taped up this part of it. Well, that's just so you can see what it looks like before you buy it. Alright, here it is. This one is black. Not sure if it comes in other colors or not. Also comes with the charger here as well. That is what the charger looks like. And then of course you get some paperwork as well. And then this thing. So it says unit number, but yeah, there's no number there. I probably have to maybe scratch it off, I'm not sure. So this is a warranty card, is what that is. So this looks like a lot of the different cheaper smartwatches, activity watches, whatever you want to call this, on the market, especially like off of Amazon, something like that. Again, this is only 50 bucks. It does have where you can switch out the bands really easy, so I'm not sure what size band this is. I'm gonna guess probably 20 or 22. My guess would be 20. It might be a size somewhere on here. And then, so you can just go on Amazon for super cheap and buy a bunch of other bands if you want to do that. Or if you have other bands from some Garmin's or from Samsung's or something. Super sticky there. So that's where your charger will connect. And you have your heart rate right there. Trying to get it. There we go. That looks better. Only one of these guys, not two, like some do have. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel like a $50 watch. It feels a little bit more expensive than that. See if I can plug this in here. Alright, so it took me a bit to find this app, but you can just get it off of the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, whatever. But in order to do it, you have to search for this exact thing, the 3 Plus Pro. You have to put in that Pro, otherwise it doesn't come up. So we have the Vibe Plus here. So we're supposed to scan the QR. You try scanning this beforehand, it does not work. We will allow that. Brings me to notes. It's kind of funny. And of course it disappeared. Alright, do this through the camera. Yes. Alright, binding my phone to the watch. Alright, then once you do that, you just have to allow it to do some stuff. Now it is updating the GPS. As you can see there, the AGPS. The camera does not like the screen at all. So it's doing that on both these, my phone and the watch itself. It tells you what percentage it is at. Alright, then you see over on the, oh boy, on the phone it said something about you have to give it permission, which I was going to do, but my finger accidentally touched it and it went away. So hopefully we can find it here. Let's see, do the update here. There we go. Now we're doing an update for it. And yeah, I mean, that seems to be about it. That was actually really easy. A lot of things you gotta go through a few more steps for it to actually start working. Yeah, this is just get a few updates and we're good to go. So I'm going to, so this has to be on there a certain way, otherwise it doesn't work. You see there, it has to go like this, but it is pretty strong. So that's cool. Alright guys, that was the unboxing and very quick setup of the Vive Plus. See how much love this video gets. Maybe I'll make a review after I've used it for at least a few days. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's really about it. Yeah, if you guys have one of these, let me know what you think. It's not a bad looking watch for 50 bucks. I'm gonna try out that GPS. I'll compare it to my Garmin here. Yeah, we'll see. For 50 bucks, we'll see what it does. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. Goodbye.